Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we will demonstrate how to download any documents audit trail, with the starting point being your dashboard. Your dashboard is an overview of all the workflow groupings, which we call baskets, that you will work with in SigniFlow, such as pending, circulating, deleted, rejected, etc. A document's audit trail is a step-by-step record of every action that has been taken regarding a particular document, as well as general information pertaining to the workflow the document is part of. Now, let's go through the process of opening and downloading a document's audit trail from your SigniFlow dashboard. Step 1. Click on the basket that contains the document you would like to download the audit trail of. For the sake of this video, I will open the cancelled basket. A table listing all the cancelled documents currently in the system opens, with information relating to each document. Information includes the document ID, who cancelled the document, the date the document was sent, i.e., date requested, the date the document was cancelled by the recipient, the name of the document status, and the priority it was sent with. Step 2. In the relevant documents row within the table, tap on the watch icon to the right of the Open button. This will open a new page in your browser, which shows you all the information relating to the document in question, including server information, workflow information, document information, audit information, and events. Events are the actions that have been taken, and these include data around the action taken, by whom it was taken, and the date and time it was taken. If any required actions have not yet been taken, this will be indicated by pending next to date. Step 3. To download the document's audit trail, click Download Audit at the top of the audit trail page. The document will automatically be downloaded as a PDF file and stored under Downloads on your computer. To download both the document and its audit trail, click Download Combined Audit. This creates a file of the document and its audit trail in one PDF, which you will find under Downloads on your computer. Please note, Download Combined Audit is not available for all document types. For example, if a document has been deleted, it will not be available for download. And that is how to download a document's audit trail. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo, or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.